Hey there, YouTube world. This morning I thought I would install a retractable luggage rack on the back of my four-door sedan. Maybe you want to follow along. Join me, shall you? Okay, so last night I started to remove the bumper off the back of this car. Apparently one of the bumper brackets has been broke off the back of this car at some point in time, but I think we can make it work. Let's get started. Okay, so last night I removed the bumpers off the back of this. Everything seemed to come apart okay. The width of this luggage rack is a little bit narrower than the frame width of the car, so I'm gonna need to make some spacers to make this thing work. Let's pull the steel off the rack and make some sparks fly. This looks like it should work. Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! We're going to use these as a spacer. One on each side will gain us about another ½ an inch. And I'm going to need to drill some holes in it so we can make it work. It's too narrow.
Is it?
Yeah, it's too narrow. It doesn't fit in between the frame. And there's a frame horn broke off, which I think I kind of remember. I've got so many cars I don't remember. Hell yeah. Holes all seem to be different sizes. You're screwing up my clown show. Okay, let's see if these fit. So far, so good. Okay, I need to drill a hole in the luggage rack for this one here. Well, it looks like it fits. I need some longer bolts. I don't have time to go to the hardware store today and buy some longer ones, so I'll just use these for now, and then I'll take them out and change them a little bit later. Let's finish tightening things up. Okay, I think I got this figured out. Let me show you how this thing works. You open these levers up, pull it out, push these levers back down. What do you think of that? Well, you could really haul some junk on the back of this thing now. Then when you want to put it back in, open the handles up, push it back in, close the handles down. Let's put the bumpers back on. Flat washer, lock washer, nut. Let's put these clamps back on. Let's put it in the right order. Washer, nut. Let's make sure it's straight. Let's put the passenger side back on. Bunch of washers, flat washer, lock washer, nut. Plate, clamp, washer, nut. Okay, I think I figured it out. What do you think of my luggage rack? Have you seen one of these before? Put a comment down there in the comment section, or is it over here? Over there? I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna pick these tools up. I believe somebody's coming over later with one of their cars and we're gonna go for a little bit of a drive. Until next time, let's keep this history in motion. Roll the credits.